fourth graders. Today I want to continue talking about place value. Yesterday you learned quite a bit about it, including the names of the place values. So let's go through those one more time. Starting with the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. You also learned about periods and how there are every 3 numbers is a period. So let's go ahead and mark those. And you separate those with a comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. That's the ones period. 1, 2, 3, comma. There's the thousands period. You also talked about digits and how the digits go from 0 to 9. If you go one more over, 10, it's made up of 2 digits. So the only digits are 0 through 9. What you didn't talk about is what if you have a number made up of the same digit? That's when place value really comes into play. So let me make up a number here. I'm going to make a 4-digit number, and I'm going to use the number 4. Okay, here we have the number 4,444. So when every one of those digits is the same, that's when place value really becomes important. So let's go through and write the value of each of these digits. So if I have 4 in the ones place, that is just 4. 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I have 4 in the tens place, 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 tens has a value of 40. Let's do 4 hundreds. Count with me. 100, 200, 300, 400. 4 hundreds is 400. And then finally, 4 thousands. You can probably already hear what it's going to be. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. So the value of a number depends on what place value it falls in. If there's a 4 in the thousands place, it's 4 thousands. 4 in the hundreds place, 4 hundreds. 4 in the tens place, 4 tens, which we know is 40, or we can count it out, 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 in the ones place is just simply 4. Now let's talk about patterns here that we see. I'm noticing something every time I hop over to the left. Let me show you what I mean. Hop over 1 to the left, and then 1 more to the left, and then 1 more to the left. And it would actually continue every single time I go to the left, but I only made a 4-digit number, so it's only going to happen 4 times. So let's look. We go from 4 to 40 to 400 to 4,000. Something just with the numbers that I'm looking at makes me realize I'm adding a 0 every single time. Check it out. No zeros, 1 0, 2 0, and then 3 zeros. Something that I know, when you add a 0 to something, a shortcut, it means you're multiplying times 10. So every single time I hop over to the next place value, I'm getting 10 times bigger. The same thing goes for backwards, but I'm not going to get 10 times bigger. Let me get a new color. I would do the opposite. If I'm going backwards, I'm not getting 10 times bigger, I'm getting 10 times smaller. Dividing by 10. 10 is going to be a super important number in terms of place value. Every time you hop over 1 this way, you times 10, and if you go backwards, you do the opposite, which would be divide 10. We're going to talk more about place value tomorrow. Make sure if you have questions, you ask your teacher on the live Zoom after this.